there! Welcome back to another episode of our English podcast. I'm Natalie, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Michael. Honestly, I'm excited about today's lesson. We're going to practice something that every English learner needs, daily routine sentences.
Yes! Think about it. Every single day, no matter who you are, you wake up, you do things in the morning, you go about your day, and then you finish your evening. Daily routine is universal. That's why it's so powerful to learn these sentences.
Exactly. If you master these, you'll be able to talk about your life, understand others, and have real conversations in English. And we're not just giving you words, we're going to give you emotion, rhythm, and natural flow.
So, let's start with the morning. Imagine, it's 7 a.m., your alarm rings.
I already feel sleepy again.
Same here sometimes. Okay, here's the first sentence. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Nice and clear. Can I try? I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. But let's make it real. Picture the moment. You stretch, you open your eyes, you take a deep breath. Now say it with feeling. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I get it. Not robotic, like you're actually telling someone. Okay, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Yes, that's it. That's the difference between learning words and actually communicating.
Okay, what's next?
I brush my teeth. Simple, right? But super useful.
I brush my teeth. Easy enough.
Let's add emotion again. Imagine you're running late. You're in a hurry. I brush my teeth.
That's funny. Okay, I'll try. I brush my teeth.
Exactly. Now, normal, calm version. I brush my teeth. Learners, repeat with us. I brush my teeth.
You know, Natalie, the funny thing is, when I started learning Spanish, I didn't realize how important these simple sentences are. I wanted big words, complicated stuff. But honestly, it's the little daily phrases that made me sound real.
That's so true. And that's why we're guiding our listeners through this, step by step.
Okay, let's keep going. What's after brushing teeth?
I take a shower. Or if you're American, you might hear, I shower.
Got it. I take a shower.
Say it with freshness, like cool water in the morning. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Perfect. And if you want to sound casual, I shower in the morning.
Nice. Okay, listeners, let's do it together. I take a shower.
Good. Next, I get dressed.
So, after the shower, I get dressed. Easy.
But make it natural. Imagine you're telling a friend, first, I take a shower. Then, I get dressed.
Smooth. Okay, I get dressed.
Perfect.
This is fun. What's next?
I have breakfast. Another essential.
Ah, yes, my favorite part of the morning. Food.
Same here. I have breakfast. You can also say, I eat breakfast.
Okay, I have breakfast. Listeners, repeat after us. I have breakfast. You know what I imagine? A nice cup of coffee and toast.
Oh, yes. And for some learners, maybe rice or noodles. Breakfast is different around the world, but the sentence is universal.
This is powerful already.
Now, let's shift into the daytime. You're ready, you leave the house, say, I go to work.
Or, I go to school.
Exactly. Depends on your life. Try it, Michael.
Okay, I go to work. Or, I go to school.
Good. And if you want to be specific, I go to work at 9 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Perfect. Learners, add your own time.
Here's another one. I take the bus.
Yes. Or I drive to work.
I walk to school.
Exactly. Little variations make you flexible in conversation.
You know, this is interesting because it's not just about memorizing. It's about seeing yourself in these sentences.
Yes, yes. That's where the emotion comes in. You feel it. You live it.
Okay, so I'm at work. What do I say?
I start work at 9.
Right. I start work at 9.
And later, I finish work at 5.
I finish work at 5. Nice rhythm.
Another one. I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Learners, imagine your favorite lunch while you say it. Perfect tip. If you imagine, you remember.
Okay, now it's afternoon. Maybe I say, I go shopping.
Good one. Or I meet my friends.
I meet my friends at the cafe.
Beautiful. That's real life.
Evening time. Let's do this.
Okay, first, I go home.
I go home.
Then, I have dinner.
I have dinner at 7.
Yes, add the time. Make it real.
Next one, I watch TV.
Or, I read a book.
Nice. I read a book in the evening.
Perfect. And then, I go to bed.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Lovely. And the last one, I fall asleep.
I fall asleep quickly. Or, I fall asleep slowly. Depends on the day.
So true.
Wow, Natalie, that was like 30 powerful daily routine sentences.
Yes. And listeners, if you practice these every day, you'll be ready for real conversations.
Let's recap quickly with emotion. Morning, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I get dressed, I have breakfast.
Daytime, I go to work, I take the bus, I start work at 9, I have lunch at 1, I finish work at 5.
Afternoon, I go shopping, I meet my friends.
Evening, I go home, I have dinner, I watch TV, I read a book, I go to bed, I fall asleep.
Perfect. Listeners, take one sentence each day and really live it. Say it with emotion, with rhythm, with your own life.
And don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake is progress.
Exactly. English is not about being perfect. It's about being real.
And hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't stop here.
Subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so you never miss a chance to practice with us.
Every new video is another step closer to fluency.
And we're right here with you every single day.
You can do this. We believe in you.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.